Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox the VolPort's cell phone holder for cars. This thing comes in 2 packs. Alright, so once we open it, you can see the components that are part of it is the actual little piece that has a lot of magnet to it. It also comes with little parts such as the metal pieces, so you can put it inside of your phone or tablet. Also, it comes with 2 double-sided 3M tapes, and it comes with 2 screen protectors, and there is a little alcohol wrap. So this way you're going to clean up at the back of your phone or tablet. So once you take everything out, you have to have phone or a tablet. Now for the phone itself, you just require to have one of those little metal plates, and then you can just put your case on top of it and it will stick. Now if you don't have the case, don't worry, it has a little sticky and you can stick it at the back of the phone and it will really hold up. Once you hook it up to your car, this is how it looks, and then on top of that, once you want to hook up your phone, it's very easily hooked up too. Except that any phone that you have, doesn't matter if it's an iPhone, if it's an LG Android phone, or even if it is Samsung or any other brands that is out there, as long as you have the magnet, it is a very inexpensive little part. We will be placing all the links where you can order it from at the bottom of this video. Except that, I hope you like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places like Facebook, and thank you.